Now, it is very important for us to know how to decide which algorithm to use because there are a lot of available algorithms under these two main techniques. Choosing the right algorithm can seem overwhelming. There are dozens under supervised and supervised. Now, there is actually no best method or one size fits all. Finding the right algorithm is partly just trial and error process. Even highly experienced data scientists can tell whether an algorithm will work without trying it out. But algorithm selection also depends on the size and type of data you're working with, the insights you want to get from data, and how those insights will be used. So among the various algorithms available, let's try to enumerate in each of these techniques the available algorithms that we can use later on in our different applications depending on what we want to automate. For supervised learning, we have classification. Under classification, the available algorithms, to name a few, are support vector machine, discriminant analysis, naive Bayes, and nearest neighbor. Under regression, we have linear regression, SVR, GPR, and some methods, decision trees, and neural networks. Finally, under clustering, we have k-means, k-mediodes, fuzzy z-means, hierarchical modeling, Gaussian mixture, neural networks, and hidden Markov model.